Hi everyone, here we've got Redmi Note 10 Pro and let me share with you how to manage the shutter sound on this device, so how to turn it on or off. So first of all, let's enter the camera app and let's check if we've got this option turned on or off. So let me take the photo by tapping on the shutter button. And I'm not really sure if you can hear it, but trust me, I've got this option turned on so I can hear the sound feedback from this device. So in order to turn it off, just tap on this three bars icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Here we have to scroll down and find the general settings, and on the third position we've got shutter sound option, which is right now activated. We've just checked it. So in order to turn it off, just tap on the switcher, and after getting back we can check. And you have to trust me, I cannot hear anything from this device. So actually that's all. This is how to manage shutter sound in your Redmi Note 10 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.